Buenos días. It's a really rainy day. Llueve mucho. So you might hear la lluvia against mi ventana. Bueno, hoy quiero presentar los números grandes. So 100 to 1,000, mil, and then upwards. 100 is 100, okay? Right, got that one. 101, 100 changes to ciento. So we have 101, 102, 103. So 100 for spot on 100, after that, ciento. In English, we say 101. In Espanol, they say 101. So there's no word for and there. Y doesn't feature. ¿Por qué? Because as you get bigger, if you go to 133, por ejemplo, we say 133. In Espanol, the literal translation is 133. You wouldn't want 133. Sería demasiado. So, en español, 133. ¿Por qué no escribes unos números entre 100 y 199? Write them in figures, en cifras, and then try to say them. Es una idea. Okay, moving on, we go to 200. Now we've got 100 is 100, 101 is 101, 200 is 200. So that hundreds, cientos, 200. 300. 300 is all one word. 400. 600 and 800. Rather unexpectedly, 500, 700 and 900 don't use 5, 7 y 9. They use, okay, starting at the biggest one, we have 900. So 900 es un poco diferente, es 9, no 9. 900, 999. Okay. Then at 700 is 700. 700. And then the best of all I saved, the best till last. 500 is 500. What a lovely word. 500. Now, ¿por qué no escribes unos números en cifras entre 100 y 999? Write them in numbers, say them en palabras. No hay otra forma. Okay, muy bien, try it. Okay, if you would like to practice with Pasos, Página 29 has got unos ejemplos, just actividad 24, you've got unos ejemplos and you've got everything written out there for you. Muy útil, en mi opinión. Bien, now, también hoy quiero hablar de los años. Años are years. Cuidado. Don't say años. Ano means anus. We're talking about years, okay? Años. Bien. En inglés, we split los años into dos partes. So we have 1984. En español, they have it as one big number, 1984. 1984. So you could practice a few of those. You could say 1956, 1958, 1965, 1974, 1981, 1991. And then we get into 2001, 2001, por ejemplo. Bien. Now, the next actividad en Pasos, actually it's the one before this, the one before 24, 23, 23, was ¿cuántos años tienen ahora? Which is how old are they now? That word ahora is beautiful. It means now. Ahora. ¿Cuántos años? How many years? Tienen, do they have? Ahora. ¿Cuántos años tienen ahora? Y actividad 23, it's got la fecha de nacimiento, the date of birth, de 5 personas, y la idea es calcular cuántos años tienen ahora. So if you have mi libro Spanglish Fantástico, unidad 53, I go through this, figuring out la edad, and that means age, la edad, from la fecha de nacimiento, and it goes like this. Oh, excuse me. So, por ejemplo, we've got Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey was born en 1954. ¿Cuántos años tiene ahora? So we have to calcular. So we have 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 2004, 2014, and then so we're 60 something, 60 y algo. Right now it's 2021, so we were on 2014, so it was 60, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So I make Oprah Winfrey 67. Contar no es fácil para mí. So that's why I set it out really clearly in here. So have a look at that if you would like to. Otros ejemplos que tú puedes usar para practicar los números. I'm putting them on the end screen, so enjoy those. Enjoy practicing tu español. I'd like to say muchas gracias for watching. The next clase will be about things that you eat and that you don't eat. It's about dietary requirements. La comida es muy importante para mí. Supongo, great word, supongo que es importante para ti también. So don't miss that. Subscribe, like este video, por favor. Y gracias for watching. Nos vemos pronto. Adiós.